Mm, mm, mm. Quit cheating, bro. Hey, bro, you over there playing the game, bro. Hey, you got any fitness goals? Hey, yo, what? Huh? Hey, you got any fitness goals? I don't got no goal, bro. What you mean, bro? You don't got no goals, man. Hey, you gotta have some fitness goals, bro. I'm telling you, man. You can't. Nah, bro. I don't need no goal, bro. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Canine Games, and I'm back on the video, you guys. And today we're gonna be talking about fitness goals. A lot of you guys do not know what a fitness goal is, all right? Now, the reason why I say that is because none of y'all stick to it, all right? So obviously, y'all didn't either make a right goal or I didn't know what a goal was, and so y'all thought y'all was making a fitness goal, but y'all was just contemplating on nothingness, all right? But anyways, today I'm gonna be going over some basic ways of like how you can make a fitness goal and how you can stick to it, all right? So let's hop right into it. Now, you guys, number one, whenever you wanted to make a fitness goal, you got to figure out one thing, all right? What is that one thing that you really want to see your body do, okay? Because that will ultimately be your ultimate goal, okay? So whatever you want to see your body do, like the way you want to see your body change, is that like that's a good change or a bad change, that's your goal, all right? So for an example, if you want to like look like, I don't know, The Rock, then you need to freaking bulk up. So your goal should be bulking, okay? So you have a bulking goal. You will have a goal to bulk up, right? Now, like, let's say if your goal was to get freaking like skinny, I don't know, skinny like Spider-Man, then your goal is to cut down. You want to cut weight, all right? So your goal is cutting. It's that simple, all right? Literally, that's as simple as it is, all right? Now, if you want to make a goal that you can kind of stick to, what I would like to do is instead of saying like you just want to bulk up or you want to cut down, you want to kind of like say you want to lose like this specific amount of inches around like a certain body part. Or you can maybe say like you want to get down to a certain weight or like eat a certain amount of food per day. Like maybe I want to start eating 2,000 calories instead of 3,000 calories. Like that's a good goal in which you can kind of help implement within your already overall goal, which would be like cutting down or bulking up. Like for an example, if your goal was to bulk up, you could say I also want to try and eat 3,000 calories instead of 2,000 calories. So you see how you're adding like a sub goal, I would say, under your main goal. So that way, like you have like a whole bunch of goals within one goal, which will ultimately help you push to get your one goal. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes. Hey, somebody tell me if that makes sense. Like, hey, for. But anyways, another thing. All right. So another thing, you guys, whenever you want to make a goal, I'm gonna just be honest. Make sure that it's a goal that you know that you can achieve. Now, we all gotta be real with ourselves at some point in life, to where like we can kind of evaluate ourselves and be like, this is not possible for me, or this is possible for me. Now, I'm not saying to look like less of yourself or anything like that, because you can most likely achieve anything you want, but be real about it. Like if you weigh 400 pounds, dude, don't think that you finna get down to 140 by next week. It's just not going to happen. It's not possible. Unless you know some way. If you know some way, hit me up, because hey, I want to know what you know, because hey, let me know how you doing that. All right, I want you guys to find a goal that's big enough, but you can also maintain as well, so that way you can stay driven and motivated through the whole process. And hey, last but not least, man, before we end this video out, y'all know that y'all need to click that link in my bio or in the description. Dang, this is not Instagram. The link in the description to freaking check out my website and get some training plans, man. Hey, keep making them Canine Games.